Hello friends, this is the continuous series for my other Selenium reviews videos. So my next question is, what is WebDriver? WebDriver is just the interface that is part of the Selenium package, openka.selenium. um, WebDriver also contains various abstract method that is helping with the interacting on browsers. There are various browsers that implements the WebDriver interfaces such as Chrome, Firefox, IE, Edge driver, Safari driver. These all are the classes that implements the WebDriver. So next question is, how would you launch the browser in Selenium? These browsers can be launched with the help of creating instance of the WebDriver within those classes. So the classes that implements will be able to create the instance for the interface, that is the interface theme. So in order to create the instance of the WebDriver, you would have to do with new keyword for the classes that implements them. So the example would be WebDriver driver equals new Chrome driver. You cannot do new WebDriver because then you are trying to instantiate the interface, which is not allowed in Java. So once you have this WebDriver drivers equals new Chrome driver, then it is going to launch the browser for you. So if you say Chrome driver, it will launch Chrome browser. If you say Firefox driver, it will launch the Firefox driver. There are some drawback that before executing this step itself, you'll have to first define where your driver.exe file is located. Then only you'll be able to do this. Okay, to do that you'll have to set the system properties and give the path of where those jar file are, where those exe file for that driver is. So next question is, what is the web element? Anything that you can see in HTML page is web element. HTML page is also called web applications or web page. So any element means content which is inside that web page is called web element. So web element also is interface that represents on working with web elements, so element that is present. So web element is an interface that works with items that is associated with the web applications. So these are called web element. Okay, so don't get confused with this. So web element also has various abstract method that will help interacting with browsers, interacting with the web elements itself. So it has methods like send keys will help you typing the value, like a click will help you triggering the click event, so and so. So next question is, how would you find web element? Web element can be found with the help of DOM. DOM is a design object model. These DOMs are part of the HTML when they write the HTML, when they design the HTML. So the DOM also contains the various attributes for the page. So the page that is developed with, it contains the ID for the element, web element. It contains classes, names, and various elements, attributes such as the value, text field. It may just have a header or it may just have a title of the page. It could have anything of that single page inside the DOM. That's why it is called design object model. In order to get into DOM, you can have two ways. You can simply right click onto the application, and once you get the options, you can simply click inspect element, or you can simply hit the F12 key and it will just open that up. There you can see what attributes are in the DOM. So what is DOM? DOM is, well, I just defined this. DOM is design object model, which contains all informations for HTML attributes and identifiers. So you get kind of pretty handful questions on these things because you might be spending more time in studying the advanced stuff, and then you kind of lack on the basics. That's why I'm putting some of these basics before I can start the advanced level on Seleniums. Going forward, I'll be adding more and more to make this thing going more interesting. So please follow my videos and this all of this helpful stuff. For now, I would stop right here, and hoping to see you in the next video soon. If you like my video, please support my channel, subscribe my channel.